Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another strange Baldi character. This time it's the Cloudy Copter. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the front section first. We're just going to draw kind of like a half circle. Okay, and then once we have that, on the corners here, I'm going to slant them down on both sides, and then just close it off first. Okay, and then now we're gonna go all the way back. So from the top here, let's draw one straight line, horizontal line going back, and then same thing here. Let's come to about the same length here, and then from there we'll just close this off with a curve going this way. Okay, so I know it's a very strange shape, but this is a Baldi character, so it will be strange. So we're gonna draw in some details up here. You can just kind of envision a line. Just make two little points first. And then from those 2 points, just draw like an arc. And then just connect them. Okay, and then on the bottom here, from these 2 points, just gonna come down. Okay, so this part's gonna be all black. And then now I know there's some whiskers here. Let's finish up the rest of the shapes here first. So I'm gonna come right out here. Just gonna draw the eyes, or one of his eyes. So just come across, make a big circle. And then on here, just connect them. Continue the curve, go right into the eye. So then on the other eye, it's gonna be behind here. So I'm gonna start right here and just draw the same circle but behind these shapes. Okay, and then to finish up the eyeball, let's draw one circle here. I'm gonna draw one more circle inside, and this is gonna be my highlight, and then I'll shade around it so that we can make it look like eyeballs. Alright, so now let's continue on with the body, I guess, whatever you call this thing. So we're gonna come down right behind the eye here. Just draw like one big arc right around here. And then right here, we're gonna draw a little half circle right here. And then from these 2 points, we're gonna extend it all the way back. Just kind of curve it in, taper it in, and then just close it off. Round it out and close it off. All right, and then for the bottom part, continue here. Just come across, right about to the halfway point of this. And then we're gonna curve it back up. And then whatever space you have here, just come down with a curve and just connect them. Alright, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same. It is a very strange character, so as long as you have this general shape. Alright, and then to finish up the bottom, I'm going to continue with this curve. Just come down, come all the way across, and then again just round it out, turn it, close that off. Alright, so we have one more of this shape up here. So from the eyeball right here, just curve up, same curve as this. Just come across, and then come back down. And then now we're drawing this big round shape here. So right here, just curve up, with another half circle. Continue across, and right around here, just pinch it in, just taper it off, and round it off. Okay, so that's the, I guess the copter, and then now it's got those whiskers. So it's gonna be right in here. So right in the center here, you can just draw one little line first, and then I'm gonna draw one on the top and one on the bottom. And then from that line, just draw like a really long triangle. This one slants down, and then this one's gonna slant up. And let me shade that in real quick and we will be done. And that is it for this strange looking Cloudy Copter. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.